raining in California. Okay, after spending 2 nights here in Crescent City, California, because of the rain, I'm gonna take off again and continue going southbound on the 101 and 1 if I can ride through those highways because of storms and bad weather. So I guess my next stop is gonna be Eureka, California, Santa Rosa. That's down south. Maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna make it all the way to San Francisco or not, but I'm sure gonna give it a try. I'm gonna have to drive slow and be very patient. Well, I'll keep you guys on the road. Look at how beautiful that ocean looks. Awesome. Yep, definitely windy. Back on the 101. Road looks beautiful. Let's conquer California in the rain. Yeah. I spent, like I said earlier, I spent 2 days in Crescent City. It was just raining hard. But I'm like, you know what? I'll stay as much as I can handle in there. But then I'm out. And yeah, 2 days. That was just enough for me. Yeah, I was missing out this beautiful view right here. My only, the only fears that I have, it's getting sick. But I try to stay pretty healthy, so hopefully that's not going to be an issue. Yep. Beautiful area. Severe weather, use caution, Friday, Monday. Awesome. Okay. Yep. Nice weather. Oh man, I mean, this is just awesome. You know, one of my biggest things I ever wanted, it's driving on a motorcycle, riding on a motorcycle. Like, so, you know, try to ride as safe as possible, you know, keep your bike well maintained and have good tires and all that, and
you know, plan your trips. But I think it's pretty cool, you know. I mean, I just cannot get enough of this, you know. Nah, man. Right here on my right, there's cliffs. It's a cliff, and it goes down like, I don't know, 80 feet, and the trees are still coming up in the air, you know. One of the things that I forgot to mention is like I literally spent 2 nights almost 2 days, a day and a half, drying my clothes. I guess if I do this kind of riding, I better invest on a good weatherproof only, no, I mean rainproof only suit, because it's just phenomenal. This right here, it's awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful it's right here. Man, look at this ocean. Awesome. Yeah, look at right here. Look how beautiful this thing. So I guess there's a big storm going on. Storm going on right now. Yep. The ocean, it's kind of angry. raining. It's raining again. Big time. This is freaking awesome. You know, you have to be very cautious about driving, but ah man, this is just wonderful. Raining in California. Nice little storm. Something that we're not afraid of. Nice. Look at that. It's just nice. Yep. Awesome. town called Fortuna. Fortuna. See what we got here. Man, that sun looks nice. Well, the rain stopped for a little bit, but it's been pretty rainy since the morning, so every now and then I see the sun, and it warms me up for a little bit, and then it goes away. I think we are probably 40 miles away from Santa Rosa, California. I think I'm gonna stop there because I feel all the water in my boots, and I got water all over inside my suit, so I need to stop and get a motel or something, dry myself out, shower with warm water, that I don't get sick. Other than that, we're 100% good. Okay, here we are again. Raining. This is raining now, big time. Man, what I'm talking about. It's a lot of water. Up, that raining.
Well, followers, I made it all the way to Santa Rosa. I'm probably 30 miles or 40 miles north of San Francisco, but I can't make it no more. My entire clothes, my boots, they're full of water. I need to dry out so I can continue tomorrow. But it's been an awesome ride. Well, so this is gonna be my room right there, and I'm gonna spend there the night. So I'm gonna get off the rain and I'm gonna go eat something because I'm freaking starving. The only thing I ate, it was a granola bar earlier this morning. All right, talk to you soon.